Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. So today's video's topic is going to be altcoin scalping, and it's going to be very profitable, helpful for you guys to basically start from low volume, low amount and slowly build up your capital. So first of all, what you guys have to do is simply move on to cryptobubbles.net. This is a website that basically tells you the volatility for the same day or for the week, for the 1 hour time frame. So you just have to go on to daily time frame and look at the coins which have either went up from their specific levels on the daily time frame, or they are going down. For example, CHR with 23% gains, Unibot minus 14%. You guys just have to look for good coins having good amount of volume. So for now, just find out perpetual over here, the pub coin, the perpetual protocol. So this is 6.5% down. Then you guys have to go to another website known as cryptocurrency volatility, cryptometer.io. I will also give the link in the description as well, and you guys do not need to pay something to buy this website. Just open it and it will be, yeah, the visual will be something like this. So you guys have just look at on the 1 day time frame and look at which coin is the most volatile coin. For example, perp BUSD is the most volatile coin, and now you guys have to simply click on perp and the complete data will be visible over here. So now we have to go on to our perp chart. Here it is. What you guys have to look at over here is, first of all, go on to daily time frame. Yeah, this is just a move to liquidate the shorts, right? To liquidate the shorts. So we are going to mark the top. This is our top. Like, took the volatility above previous lower high, so this can just move something like this. So now the higher time frame perspective is pretty clear that the top is in over here. Like, took the liquidity above that, rejected pretty hard. So what we are going to target, we are just going to target this. But how you guys have to basically take a lot of scalps over here and turn that scalp into the swing. So we will go on to lower time frames like 4 hour. Now mark the levels on 4 hour. We have FVG over here. We will simply make this as our target. Right now you guys can see that the risk to reward is pretty bad over here, like stops above this, TP here. The risk is very bad. So we will go on to more lower time frame, 1 hour. Now what you guys have to do is look at the trend. The trend is clearly shifting to the downside. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low is broken over here. So if the price goes back over here, just short it towards here, like this. And then take your moon back till the lower level you have made on the daily time frame, right? This is how you guys can basically wait for the scalps to come to you and then go on with the scalp. So we will also remove this. Now this is basically our kind of waiting trade, kind of intraday trade. So we will just set up the alarms over here. Just set up our alarms over here. If the price goes there, we will just basically short that. Now remove this. Go on to further lower time frame, onto 15 minutes. Now what is the trend? Trend is towards the downside, right? So for the scalp, you can take setups like this. This is almost like 2 risk to reward. Almost like over here. But remember one thing. This is almost like 2 risk, 1 risk to 2 reward. So remember one thing, that you do not have to close the trade if the coin does something like this, no, never close the trade. Never close the trade. Now, where is our stop loss? We are just on to our lower time frame on 15 minute, like on the 5-minute time frame, right? Now, just try to spot the previous lower high. Here is your lower high. Your entry one should be over here. Over here, where we have kind of resistance as well. Entry one over here. Now, this is going to happen either something like this or something like this. Something like this. So you have to play the both cases, right? If the coin fills you over here and we are targeting the FVG, fills you over here, goes over here, so this is just straight your 15% rewards. 15% rewards. In the second case, if the coin does something like this and goes straight back to the downside, your entry 1 filled over here, entry 2 filled over here, you will have something like average entry over here, right? Now that will be almost like 17% rewards. So this is how you guys have to basically take your lower time frame scalpings, and you guys have to manage your risk to reward. Now we will move on to 1 minute time frame. Yeah, 1 minute is also very important, right? Look at this. This is our one minute FVG. In my opinion, same like we have drawn before, price is going to do something like this. Because you have already seen the higher time frame trend, right? If I draw this more precisely, I think so this is going to do something like this. Something like this. Now, why something like this? Because this is your previous lower high. Price is going to touch these levels and then go back. Also, even on the lower time frame, this is going to fill up this. You can see over here, the price have basically slowly filled that up. Might fill that up again as well. This is a complete cluster of FVG here as well, but here as well. So you just have to wait for the proper trade. This is going to do something like this. I'm just saving my chart and I will post it on Twitter as well. So just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna make a short trade for you guys over here. Just throw it down. Take TPs as you wish. So the stops are M15 or M5 closure above this. Over here. Yeah, above 1.10 is our stop loss. Taking profits around almost like 25% down. So this is the setup right now. And these are your scalps. Now we will look for the confirmations. Just have a look over this coinglass.com and you guys have to just simply search currency over here, like I have selected perp. Now what you guys can see is our open interest. First of all, people are pretty much interested suddenly into this coin, and this is going to move very soon. Now the volume you guys already see that again at all-time high, kind of not the all-time high but all-time high of the previous week or month. Liquidation data, most of the shorts are already liquidated, so probably like 1.9 million shorts are liquidated on 7th September. So we also want to see almost like 1 or 2 million or more than that shorts, longs to be liquidated. Like we want to average these shorts liquidations into our long liquidations, or the long liquidations should be more because the cartel was basically pumping this coin to remove the shorts and make money. So this is going to happen. Next, just look at the price, the funding rate. Now perpetual 0.58%, minus 0.7%. A lot of people on Bybit are shorting this coin, so probably a wick to the upside, like that might be even a wick above this one, but do not close the trade until it basically stops you out after a 5-minute 15-minute closure above this. I will suggest 15-minute closure because this is a very volatile coin and it's pretty riskier. So until and unless the funding is below 0.1, it's kind of safe to short after a week, right? So whenever the funding is above 1.52, then I expect the coin to move 20-30% in a single candle, and that might just liquidate all the shorts. Also look at long short ratio, it's 1.0210. So the people who are basically sending the perp to the upper side, those are just your BITGET perpetuals. They are just longing over here, and their volume is $161.13 million, and their open interest, a lot of longs over here. So the best way, look at this. The short liquidations in 24-hour. Binance is almost like having same liquidations like shorts and longs are almost like at the same levels, not a big difference. Also OKX have same levels. Bybit are not given over here, but Tobia Global is basically having more long liquidations because there were more people longing this coin. So what we have to notice over here, the two exchanges, Huobi and BITGET, these are basically just trying to long the perp, but the other exchanges are basically trying to short the perp. So the thing is that this is being manipulated by the biggest exchange I know, by the biggest exchange. But there's a very severe reason why these people are basically not doing from their own exchanges. Like most of the people are shorting on Binance, on Bybit, but not shorting on BITGET or Huobi Global. Like the reason is simple, because they do not want their reputation to be interrupted. So there's a big science behind every single trade of them. So you guys just have to look at open interest on 24-hour volume. So just note this website, this is pretty simple. Open interest on Binance is reducing, however BITGET people, the interest is increasing, 27%, highest one. So what does this means? This means that BITGET people are trading more this coin than other exchanges, and the volume is open interest out of 24-hour volume is increasing on BITGET. So the more longs they are opening, the more it will go to the downside. So this is the scalp trade for now. Now for example, if our trade is stopped out over here, what we're gonna do? Remember, then we will move on to our 1-hour trend and short these levels, our alert zones. So this is how you have to take quick scalps, manage quick scalps. It's taking a lot of time, but probably it will do something like this. Let's move on to any other altcoin just for some examples. Like we will look at 1-hour time frame, XVG. Should we short this or long this? I will tell you, just give me a few minutes. People are not shorting this coin right now, so it's a clear short over here. Okay, this is just giving the data of Binance coins. So first of all, same thing, we're gonna go on to our daily. We just have to see if the, oh, so this might even take out this line, something like that. Yeah, probably some of the ranging play. Short it over here. Yeah, short. It's a clear short. It's a clear short. You can also see I haven't checked the chart, but divergences are there. Just have a look over here. A clear divergence is there. Look at this. It was pretty clear that if the coin is pumping and people are longing, this is a clear divergence. So our stop loss is over here. Yeah. And you guys can even in the quick scalping, you guys have to TP severely. Like you guys can TP whenever you want. It does not matter, you have to wait for the price to go exactly at that point. Like your TP1 should be like this. What is this risk to reward? It's 1.07, like more than one reward. TP1 over here, TP2 over here, and final TP at here. Or you guys can just leave your moon bag as well. You guys have to use this indicator, RSI, divergence, trend lines, ANAN. Like just use the default settings. Whenever the price is basically making divergence like this, and the top side is red, this is a great confluence. Just have a look over here. How it is just coming down. Remember, we marked our daily levels first and saw that this one is swept, but this might get swept in the coming days, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But we have to do it on 1 hour time or 1 minute time frame. So we are just going to. Now, when the coin is moving down, go and recheck this. Funding is still positive, means people are just blindly longing. So let them long and make money. Let them long. The price is 14% up here, 14 here, yeah, and the volume long to short is long liquidation 828. Wow, a lot of longs are just being liquidated over here on this small move. Wow, that's huge. So that means that this coin can go to our TP2 when the longs are getting liquidated. That means the price can basically look at the reducing volume by our OI. Lol. Look at this. TP1 is already done over here. And look at RSI. Wow. Damn. Whenever you guys have this type of like, look at this on our whole screen. RSI never went above these levels where it was currently when we took the short. So you guys have to be very, very fast and quick whenever you are taking a scalp. Right. Now you have taken your TP1 and RSI is back to our 59 level. This 50 level is a support. This is a supportive level for the coin. Also, I opened these. This is my own indicator, and I will share this on Twitter as well. Currently, it is given in Discord, but I might share it later on to Twitter as well. So whenever you're using this, you guys have to just turn on these settings for the scalping. Just open the white lines, or you guys can open signal bars as well, buy and sell signals as well. Like it gave a signal over here, and you guys see I have just opened short after that. So our when this coin goes below this purple line, this small purple lines, means the trend is again shifting towards the downside. Now TP1 is already executed. Our stops are at break even. Your stop loss is here. You are not going to lose anything. Now the purple line is lost. Now you have to take profit when this void line is executed. Like over here, whenever this void line is touched, you have to take some more profits and move your stop loss to even into the profits and just let the moon back play. Also, I'm saving this. Moving on to our perp trade. What's happening there? Look at this. This again went up. I'm still having same thing, like this will slowly move on to here. I still think that this is going to our TP2. Boom, boom. So this is how you guys can basically do quick scalps, and you guys can just basically make money in few moments. In like, look at this, how my dump this was. This was almost like 3.72% dump, and it is going to dump like 6%. So making 6% in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to 10 minutes is huge. Believe me, it's huge. Now the price went again back to the upper side, and this might retest this purple line. Purple line is now your resistance, right? For example, the price went above this turned into the support and went up. Now came back again below, like your equilibrium level, the mid level, and started coming back down. So this is how you guys have to actually take trades on the lower time frame scalps. And now this is going to our TP2. So hopefully I will post my TP2 hitting on Twitter as well. So just ending the video right here. Look at this, we took the trade over here. So you guys have to just I just have one request, that make sure to manage up your risk. Like take slowly start with low amount and slowly build up your basically kind of portfolio or whatever you guys want to do with this scalping strategy. Just look at this, even on the 15 minutes the RSI was not just oversold but so much on the higher side, where what actually happened, there was a divergence over here. Bearish divergence over here. You guys do not have to short the first bearish divergence. Let all the shorters to be liquidated, and look at the data over here, that how much is the funding rate. Now this is going to turn red very soon. Very soon. Whenever we're gonna have one more quick to downside move, this will turn red. So when this turns red, you have to slowly take up your profits. Means more shorts are being built up over here, and the price can just basically move back to the upper side. So this is how you guys have to trade. So thank you everyone for watching. I will make one more video, and we'll also have another scalping session with the Discord and Twitter people as well. So this is still pending. So what you guys have to do is make 3 or 4 setups, and wait for them to come at your levels. Or if you have the setups like this, just execute. So this is a plan, and this is what I usually do. So thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check in the description and make an account with my referral on OKX as well. So I'm gonna trade on OKX, and I'm gonna play a competition as well, where I will be sharing the quick scalps as well. Thank you everyone.